So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to run NumPy in the VS Code. So guys, if you want to run the NumPy in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, you just need to install the package of NumPy in your terminal. So how you use it? First of all, you go and click the option of terminal and click and new terminal. Now and guys, before you choose the folder where you want to install it, okay? So you simply go and put up it up, okay? Now here you simply search the pip install numpy. Pip install numpy. Now you hit enter. Okay. Now guys, here you see that a new release is available 2.4 to 2.6. If you want to upgrade, so you run this query, but we are comfortable with the last one. Then here you if you want to check the package that your installation is complete or not. So guys, for this again type same command. Now if it shows the new release of API is available, so use it. Now you simply use any of the query related to the NumPy. So guys, thank you.